Hello, this is Shundipon here again. One of my friends over here commented me about the bond money. Now, definitely, many of you may know that bond money is there in each and every company, even if it is private. And now, in this notification, what I'm watching, this is about PO 2020. Okay, so SBI PO 2020. So it has been written that you will have to pay 2 lakhs of bond value. You see this bond value of 2 lakhs. Okay, so you will have to work for at least 3 years. At least you have to work for 3 years, and if you work for 3 years and then after that if you leave, then you will not have to give the bond money. Now, why this bond money is needed, let me just get very short. You see, any kind of institution takes an initiative for recruitment, and this recruitment process is rigorous. This takes place in various locations. It takes money. Now, definitely, when there is money in it, they are spending money for recruitment, so they want the bright students, they want the best of the students, the best of the the people who are there out there who are going to seek judge for jobs. Okay, so they want the best from them. So after coming into the best job, one of the best, that's SBI PO. After coming over here, when you get to know the thing and you want something better, yes, definitely many people go for CGL jobs, many people go for UPSC, many go for MBA, as I said. Okay, there are lots of opportunities there which open. Okay, which are open. So in the 3 years, many people feel that they can do even better than they can get something better than SBI PO. There are many people, and many people think that it's okay to be SBI PO. So at first they feel that the workload is high, but after a few months they get used to it. So in one word, we can say that many people don't have got that thing in them, that they will have to work for several hours, and after that getting this much salary, when they can get a better salary for any kind of PSU jobs, or maybe in CGL, any government jobs. So they need time. So to get time, you have to leave the job. So this is the particular question. Now, whether you will have to give it or not, this is a specific matter which we will have to talk about, whether you will have to give this bond money or not. Now, there are different kind of bond papers which are being used. Okay, so if it's being now when you have been signing on the bond paper, you have got those legal paper on which you have to sign. So if it is costing around 100 rupees, then then they can take action on it. Okay, now you'll have to see, there are 10 rupees, 20 rupees, okay, 5 rupees bond paper. So there are different kinds of bond paper, but whenever a very good institution makes any kind of bond paper, they create that bond, so definitely they will be using that. I don't know what's the amount that they have actually taken, whether they have allotted 100 rupees bond or not. Okay, because on that government paper, if you have signed, then they can take legal actions against you, they can blacklist you, they can do anything that they want, because that's a serious action that they can take. But yes, if you pay the money, if you are willing to pay for it, okay, yes, okay, I am leaving the job, but I am giving this money, so they will not take any kind of actions. Well, this is not only in government jobs, it's not in SBI PO that I am saying. These are specially being done in many private jobs, most of the private jobs, because many people leave the private jobs within a year and they switch to another jobs. Okay, there are many companies, I may say. Well, let's take Tata. Okay, Tata is an institution which is known for their prestige and for their you know the legacy, for being taking care of their employees. So definitely if they are taking care of their employees, they would also want the same from the employees too. They would want the trust of the employees. So if you are not trusting, well, if you don't trust the company, if you leave them, so Tata doesn't take any person. Okay, so that's their policy too. As like SBI, if you leave SBI, you will not be able to join SBI again. So this is about it. But there are many other companies, let's say Cognizant. What I know about it, okay, you see my friends are getting into it, so I have been seeing and I have known about it. So let's say Cognizant, let's say Amazon, okay, so people who are working in this kind of companies, they would not be suing them, okay, because they doesn't have got that bond thing, okay. That's a matter that you will have to talk about, or you will have to think about. Now what will you do at this point if you have got the job, if you are doing the job, whether you will have to, you want to go to another company, whether you will pay the money or not? I would say that if you are entering into any kind of institution, let's say government institution, I would say that rather taking, you should not take any kind of risk. In this case, you should pay the money, okay. I know that it is really bad, but when you have read that notification, you know about it, then you should make it clear. When you have got the job and after that you want to leave the job, then you should be aware of that. So I would just end with it that it's on your, in your hands, okay, whether you will be giving the money if you leave the job, whether you don't want to leave the job and be in it, be happy. So whatever, it's your choice, okay. So it's all about it. If you want to know anything more, you can just comment down below. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.